farm in Pune, Ramnagar, Summer Shale Farm, named after my late father-in-law and mother-in-law. So it's a no-till, no poison, regenerative, multi-layer permanent fruit forest, where you can see that these are the black turmeric of last year, uh, which we leave for 14 months or 2 cycles for it to become very, very effective against the most debilitating illnesses like cancer, like asthma, like rheumatic arthritis, and side effects of vaccination. It's a natural blood thinner, great for lungs, great for heart, great for brains. So, truly mother of all herbs. So, this is of last year, and I would like you to see how beautiful the flowers of this turmeric is. It's almost as beautiful, maybe more beautiful than any orchid. So, it has yellow and so colorful and lasts so long. We have just broadcast lots of tours, lots of moong in the middle of this, which have sprung up. I would like to show you that. Some of these are Gandharaj lemon, Assam lembu, in my view, some of the most fragrant lemon present, and extremely medicinal. More so if you can eat the skin of that in some form or the other. What we do is we squeeze the lemon, green lemon better, and put the skin of that lemon in warm water so that you have lemonin. Lemon per se is fantastic. Lemon skin is even better. So again, it turns your body alkaline and extremely beneficial for health. Uh, as uh, I was saying that we have just broadcast moong for the nitrogen fixing, barely 3 or 4 kgs per acre, and it has come up. Even if we get 5 kgs back, our purpose is served, and it would have enormous nitrogen fixing. So why are we spending money on urea? I can never understand. Mr. Bhaskar Save, late, he was a great Gandhian and perhaps one of the best farmers on earth. So was he respected and uh, was given that his recognition even by the UN for his water saving, method. So this whole area is full of moong which has sprung up, and by this time nitrogen needs of the soil is over. Uh, in few months we would also be making seed balls of tuar and throw this in the middle of this for nitrogen fixing. Above all, you see these subabul, they are great nitrogen fixer, and the rural India still has this grappling with fuel wood. So it's a great fodder, great nitrogen fixer, and it goes to, this is barely 2-year-old subabul trees. It has already attained a height of, I say, 25, 30 feet. It will go to 50 feet and would not be blocking any sunlight. So you have one additional source of income, and for your as a fodder and also nitrogen fixer. So the sooner we understand these simple methods where we can save money, where we can make our soil very carbon rich, where whatever is produced is world's best. Thank you.